Good morning, everyone. Today is a very exciting day, and I think last video we mentioned it was an anniversary of sorts coming up.
I couldn't figure out what she was talking about.
Yes. Why don't you tell the good folks what our anniversary is?
8 years ago today, we took off in our first van, a road trek Zion, and had no plan. Thought we'd be gone a couple, 3 months, and wound up just never stopping. And this 8 years ago today.
8 years ago today, we took off for parts unknown. What an incredible ride it's been.
Yeah, and so the last few days, we're in the Kelso, Longview, Washington area in an RV park, because for many of you that are following us know that we're here because our older son has cancer and we're going through the cancer treatments. Things are going well, but we're here in the winter time, and I've been outside trying to carve some spoons, and for the last couple of days Irene's been in here on the computer going through old videos, trying to find some way to kind of capture the last 8 years. So she put together some footage, and I just watched it 10 minutes ago, and yeah, it's crazy. Every
single clip is just such a memory. And there's just thousands and thousands of these.
Well, you think about it, we've been doing weekly videos for 8 years, just random, whatever we're doing videos. And we've crossed the continent. I think between the U.S. and Canada, I think it's 18 times now. Canada twice, the U.S., the rest of them, all different parts, all lower 48 states, most of them many times, all different. Not just been through a state. We've been, every state we've been to, we've really been through
multiple times.
Sometimes 7, 8, 9 times in different areas. We've really explored this country, and to do videos of all that, I mean,
there's a lot. It's a lot.
So you think
it's overwhelming.
So you think about 8 years.
52 weeks? Is there 52 weeks?
Yeah,
maybe?
So you're talking 400-ish videos of just stuff we've done in the last 8 years, and it's almost emotional when you watch the videos, because oh, I remember that. Was that, this.
It was wild to go through.
Yeah, I think that was Montana, and that was Oregon, and that was that flight in New York, and.
So we'll take you on this little magical journey. Now, these clips are in no particular order, but they're just kind of a snapshot of our last 8 years on the road.
You could call it the varying lengths of Irene's hair and Dave's beard.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah.
In fact, she just cut like 6 inches of her hair off yesterday.
I did.
Well, she didn't.
I actually went in for this haircut. Typically, we do cut it ourselves.
I've cut her hair many times on the road, but this time she thought, I'm going to go to a fancy place.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
All right. Take this journey with us. How'd we do?
That was like the coolest night ever.
Oh my God. Come on, come on, come on, come on!
I don't know if it flew by or if it just seemed to last forever. It's kind of, it did both, but I can't believe all we did.
The places we've been able to go and the things we've seen. You really get to know a person. You think living with them, like 12 to 15 years, you think you know who they are. Try living in a van.
Change you, and I think for the better.
For the better, for us.
In every single way, it's made me a better person. I've learned more about myself and people and us. It's been an amazing experience. Look at life and everything completely different, and I realize how limited the time we have is.
Carry on.
Carry on.
So aside from the hair lengths, I noticed we laugh a lot.
Yeah.
And we're not that funny.
Well, I don't think we're laughing because things are funny. I think we're just genuinely having a great time.
Yeah, okay.
Happy.
I think so too.
Laughing happy, not laughing funny.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
That makes more sense to me.
Yeah.
So yeah, looking ahead, we have no idea. I feel like we're about as unsure as when we first started out.
Yeah.
I mean, then we did have a condo in Nevada. We left. And now we have a house in Florida. So
which we haven't seen in 9 months.
Yeah, we do have a home base still. And there's been no home base in between those two periods. But it's just wide open. We have nothing concrete set in stone that's going to be happening, or it's unpredictable. Like, we did not predict to be here this summer, yet here we are, and life is just funny that way. And I think we just have to continue, and something we've learned on the road is just to roll with it. It's
definitely evolved. I know when I think back over the last 8 years, by far the best of times for me, it's all been good, but the part that for me stands out as the most amazing time was those first probably 2 years in the road truck, our first van. It was, and I just think it was because it was all new. We'd not traveled a lot in the country.
Yeah.
You know, we go on vacations, go to Hawaii, go on a cruise, but never just hit the back roads of rural America and just the people we've met, and it was like, what's up ahead, and that was such an amazing time for me. And it's just kind of evolved into, I don't know, it's hard to explain, but that was the the most amazing time for me.
Mm-hmm.
But then it's been just trying to find different things to do. And now, as we look forward from now, it's now what? You know, because just for me, just random roaming is amazing, but it doesn't have the same appeal as it used to, because
I agree.
we're always trying to find some new place we haven't been before.
There's plenty of those.
There
to
is.
Be sure.
There
But,
is.
you know, to get there, we have to go through a lot of familiar territory.
But I think
sometimes.
what we used to really enjoy was just not planning, not seeing what's ahead, just going there and then seeing things and not researching what was there.
Mm-hmm.
And now it's like, okay, now I think we need to let's do some research, or let's plan specific things. So I think we really have some ideas for more, like backpacking or bikepacking in the future, or hey, let's go up to these high mountain lakes and set up camp and do some fishing. But I don't know. For now, it's just, we're here, and I suspect we're going to be working our way back down south into Florida after Christmas.
Yeah.
Hopefully things are all looking good enough for us to head out. And I don't know.
Beyond that, we're not sure, but we do want to say what a joy it's been to get to know a lot of you, our regular viewers, who comment a lot. We really appreciate that, because we love that interaction with you. And, a lot of you have been with us since the beginning, or very near the beginning. And so we appreciate that. We want you to know that. That's been a nice addition to what we do.
Truly feel like we know most of you.
Yeah.
Some of you have actually met, but the ones that we've just chatted through the comment section has been just like I don't know,
talking to a friend.
Yeah. So yeah, it's been interesting. But that's been, we've talked about this in other videos, but that's probably the most satisfying. I don't know if satisfying is the right word, but the most unexpected part of the journey that is so fulfilling is just meeting people from around the world. And it feels like we have friends everywhere we go.
Yeah.
So I don't know. What an amazing blessing to be able to do what we did, and we don't take it for granted.
Yeah, freedom.
So I guess this video was she thought she'd just gather up some old footage, try to put in a montage of the past 8 years, and we could just kind of watch it with you and kind of reminisce about that and look forward to what is going to happen in the future without having a clue what that's going to be. Other than I know it's going to be an adventure. I know it's going to be with my best friend and our best puppy.
That was another thing going through the footage. I so cherish all those clips of Pistol. I mean, she's been with us. What was she, 4 when we started? And so it's just been an incredible journey for her.
Now she's just
she's sleeping.
Grumpy little 13-and-a-half-year-old.
She's perfect. And I know she is the star. She has a lot of friends and fans out there. So, but looking back on her footage, I warms my heart to know that we have all those memories with her, and we'll continue to make those as long as we can. So, anyway, thank you all. Hope you enjoyed that little flashback, and we will catch you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.